For the 44th consecutive year, the brutal sounds of open-wheel race cars will shake the streets at the Toyota Grand Prix of Long Beach. Starting on the pole position, having been dominant all weekend long, is Alexander Rossi. And on the outside is the two-time Long Beach winner, Will Power. Starting on the inside of row 2 is 2016 champion Simon Pagenaud. And on the outside is Scott Dixon, who is still looking for his first Long Beach victory. Row 3 inside is the St. Pete runner-up Graham Rahal, and on the outside, the Phoenix winner, Josef Newgarden. Row 4 features a pair of drivers who have already found victory lane at Long Beach. Inside is Ryan Hunter-Reay, who took the crown in 2010, while James Hinchcliffe is the defending champion. Row 5 inside is the three-time winner here at the Long Beach Grand Prix, Sebastien Bourdais, who already has a win this season on a street circuit in St. Petersburg. And on the outside is the rookie sensation, Robert Wickens, still looking for that elusive first victory. Row 6 inside is Tony Kanaan, who has also never won at Long Beach. And on the outside, another impressive rookie, Jordan King. Row 7 sees two drivers looking to make up for poor starts to the season. Inside, Ed Jones was looking set for a second-place finish at Phoenix when he crashed late in the race. And on the outside, MATHEUS LEIST still hasn't finished an IndyCar race on the lead lap. Row 8 sees Max Chilton, the best of the Carlin Racing drivers, alongside Zach Veach for Andretti Autosport. Row 9 inside sees the return of Jack Harvey after he and the Michael Shank Racing team sat out the Phoenix round. And on the outside is the second of the Ed Carpenter Racing drivers, Spencer Pigot. No, Row 10 is not deja vu from Phoenix. Gabby Chavez and Marco Andretti start on the same positions on the grid that they started in the desert. Row 11 inside features the return of the series to Zachary Clayman DeMello, who was another driver who sat out the Phoenix round. And on the outside is TAKUMA SATO, the 2013 Long Beach winner whose team has been on the back foot since suffering a crash in practice. And bringing up the rear in row number 12, inside is the second Carlin Racing driver, Charlie Kimball, and on the outside is the reigning Indy Lights champion, KAISER, who suffered a crash in qualifying. So that was the starting grid for the 44th running of the Toyota Grand Prix of Long Beach. Let me know who you think is going to win tonight. I think it's going to be very difficult to beat Alexander Rossi today. But hey, surprises are, kind of the usual thing in IndyCar racing. So let me know those predictions, as wild as they may be. And be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more IndyCar and motorsports content. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been David Land on YouTube, and we'll see you in the next video. Enjoy Long Beach.